I'm Professor Keith Brown and I'm the Director of the National Centre for Post-Qualifying Social Work here at Bournemouth University, and we lead the national research in financial scamming. We work with a number of national partners. We work with the National Scams team. We also work with the Chartered Trading Standards Institute and the heads of police forces. And basically what we're doing together is trying to look into the scale and the size of the problem with regards to financial scamming. So what we're finding is really quite fascinating, but also really quite scary. The more we look, the more we find. And the more we find, the more we think, wow, this is a major problem. Scamming is different for different people and comes about in lots of different ways. Some people realise they're being scammed. Some people don't fully realise. Some people are frankly too embarrassed to even admit it to themselves, let alone their loved ones have been scammed. Scamming can be what we call doorstep crime. They're the sort of people that come to your house and offer to paint your shed or your fence for £1,000, and then they want to repair your roof for £10,000 or clean your drive. We call that doorstep scamming. We've got mail scamming, inappropriate mail, false lotteries. We've got telephone scamming. And of course we've got the internet scamming. And internet scamming is on the rise. It doesn't tend to be as prevalent amongst the elderly population. They're much more at risk, I think, to what I call letters that look official. A generation that's used to believing and trusting in people. A generation that when they get a letter that looks like it's come from the tax people or the tax revenue office or an official source demanding payment, they do what they're told. We've got photographic evidence of people's houses where every room is piled high of junk mail, false lotteries. And you say to these people, don't you realise you're being scammed? And they say something like, yes, I do, but it's the only contact I have with the outside world. And I look forward to the mail coming every day, because filling in the false lotteries or going through the mail is the only reason I have for waking up in the morning. Abject loneliness for some people is so bad that being scammed and going through the process of dealing with scam mail is better than having nothing in your life.